In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Google Drive upload speed. If your uploads feel painfully slow, it's usually a combination of your connection, your browser, and the way Drive handles files behind the scenes. Let's walk through what actually makes a difference and how to fix it. Start by checking your real upload speed. Google Drive is limited by your upload bandwidth, not your download speed. Run a quick test using any reliable speed test site and look specifically at the upload result. If that number is low, Drive will be slow no matter what you do. Many plans that sound fast focus on download, while upload can be a fraction of that. Next, use the most stable connection you can. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or even better, an Ethernet cable, will reduce interference and drops. Try to avoid mobile hotspots or weak Wi-Fi signals. If possible, pause heavy internet use on other devices in your home, like streaming or large downloads, while you upload. Clean up anything in your browser that might be dragging things down. VPNs often reroute traffic and can cut upload speed dramatically, so turn them off while you upload. Disable heavy extensions, especially those that monitor or filter traffic. To quickly test, open an incognito window and try an upload there. In Chrome, enable performance features that help with large transfers. Go to Settings, then System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This lets Chrome use your computer's graphics resources to handle uploads more efficiently. Upload smarter to save time. If you have many small files, combine them into a single zip first, or upload one large file instead of hundreds of tiny ones. Also, try not to upload huge folders all at once. Break them into manageable chunks. If you're still stuck, switch methods. Chrome generally works best with Drive, but sometimes another modern browser like Edge performs better on a specific setup. For very large or ongoing backups, the Google Drive desktop app can be more reliable because it can resume in the background. Clear your browser cache to remove old conflicting data. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy, and Clear Browsing Data, then clear cached images and files. Timing also matters. Uploading late at night or early in the morning can avoid network congestion on your home network and your provider's network. Finally, remember the built-in limitation. Even after the progress bar hits 100%, Drive still processes and scans files. That means an upload can be complete, but not instantly ready. Give it a moment, especially for large or numerous files.